Hi friends, in this video we will see the first chapter of a class 11, that is the living world. When you hear the word living, so what comes to your mind? So you will say that they are beautiful creatures you would consider, and also you will say that there are a living to be considered, they will show some characters we say. So when you consider the living characters, you might tell that some of the characters, generally what you will tell is there will be a growth in a living organism. You might tell they show a reproduction also, you say. And also they say, you will say that movement they will show. Okay, so these are the characters generally what we studied in our earlier classes. In the level of u1 or class 11, and specifically in the NEET perspective, we consider very two types of characters. Okay, what are those? One is general characters of living organism, and another is specific character of living organism. So before to go to the details of specific characters, first we study the general characters. What are the general characters? Here we are mentioned. Now we see the details of it step by step. So, what is a growth? When you hear the word growth, you will say that increasing in the size of an organism, or increasing the size of the body of a organism, what we call it as a growth of an organism, we say. Now, question might arise, why the increasing in the size will occur? That is, cell division is a main reason through which the growth of an organism occurs. So, internal growth is a character to be considered related with the growth of an organism. Internally, that is, inside the organism will grow by addition of cell molecules or cell numbers itself. For example, if you consider unicellular organism is the one which will be having a single cell, right? So cell division is itself is a growth you could consider, as well as also you could say that reproduction in unicellular organism. But in case of multicellular, that is a second type of organism or second group of organism, these will make a size increases by cell division, the number of cells getting added, hence the mass, hence the growth. Further details regarding the general growth we consider in a next class. You might ask question, why it is considered as a general growth? This is an important point. External growth